Steak with chimichurri sauce is so delicious and easy to make, plus a perfect meal for celebrating St. Patrick's Day. In a food processor, I combine onion, parsley, oil, vinegar, red pepper flakes, and Lawry's garlic salt. I processed it until it was coarsely chopped. I set the chimichurri aside. I seasoned the steak with Lawry seasoned pepper and garlic salt, grilled the steak over medium-high heat for about 8 minutes per side, and then let the steak rest. I sliced it, topped it with the flavorful chimichurri sauce, and it was so delicious. It complemented the richness of the grilled steak perfectly. You have to make this. Let's make creamy, delicious Lawry shepherd's pie. In a large nonstick skillet, I melted butter and sauteed onion, carrots, and mushrooms for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables were tender. I added ground beef and cooked and stirred it for about 5 minutes or until the meat was no longer pink. Then stirred in the Lawry's marinade and some tomato paste. Then I added peas and stirred gently. Then spooned the mixture into a 2-quart casserole dish and spread evenly with some prepared mashed potatoes. I broiled the dish for about 5 to 6 minutes or until it was golden brown and bubbly. This is such an easy, delicious meal to make. You have to try it.